Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Still on our topic, preposition. Inside this, we are going to look into a topic that says inside. Class or say inside. Yes, in Igbo, inside means n'ime. Again, n'ime. You can see different two objects. This is a cup and this is a plate. You can find out that the cup is inside the plate. Ị ga-ahụ na ite a dị n'ime afere. Let's see them in sentences. Sentence number 1A says, cup is inside the plate. Or say that, class. Cup is inside the plate. Can I ask you a question? Is this cup inside a bucket? No. Cup is inside the plate.